Let's focus on results as well. This is something that we have been focusing in on. The management at Biocon is with us. They declared their numbers overnight. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw of Biocon is with us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out time for us. Could you just first start with the biologics growth that happened in Q2? The second straight quarter of good growth in biologics. What essentially are now the targets going ahead?
So basically, the biologics business has shown very robust growth this year. As you know, we have crossed a big milestone in the first half of this year, having crossed 1,000 crores of revenue for biologics. We have also indicated an aspirational target of $1 billion by FY22, which is a real strategic intent, which has been well worked out in terms of our opportunities that we are addressing, both in emerging and developed markets. We understand these markets very well, and we are actually very confident of unlocking value and market share in these markets.
Okay, good to know, Ms. Shaw. Good afternoon. Is the biologic business going to lead growth going forward? And what was growth led by in the small molecules business?
Well, as you see, the small molecules business has also delivered excellent growth this quarter. In fact, it has delivered 23% growth this quarter, and it has delivered 530 crores of revenue, which is also a very strong growth that it has delivered. And this is also a segment that has crossed the 1,000 crore mark this first half to 1,009 crores. So I think overall, this is also a segment that is growing very well. As you know, we have vertically integrated this business from being just an APIs business to a finished formulations business, and our generics business in the US is doing extremely well. It has contributed significantly to this quarter's growth, and it will continue to grow significantly in the coming years as we add more and more generics to this particular business. So I think the three key businesses that we will now be tracking is really the small molecules business, which will be under Biocon Limited as a part of its main business. We will be tracking the biologics business, which also is a part of the consolidated revenues of Biocon Limited, but will also be a standalone business under Biocon Biologics. And then, of course, the Syngene business, which will also be reflected in the Biocon Limited business, but is also a standalone business. So if you look at these three businesses, you will be able to track and see that at a segmental level, all these businesses will drive very strong growth, and at a console level also, it will contribute to very, very strong and robust and sustainable growth for Biocon.
Thank you so much for taking time out and joining in, Ms. Shaw, and giving us a view on the quarterly earnings.